Welcome back. The water's low. We're at the creek once again, but today we're at it. I wanted to come up here because there's always this one certain part of the year where we'll come down here and we just tear up the bass. This little spot back here, so hopefully we do good. It should be a good day. I have a lunker log on right now from last time we were at the pond, so I'm just going to start with that, but if that doesn't work, I have a couple other baits I like to try. So we're going to walk here to the spot and we'll start fishing. Holy. Let's start getting over here. The grass is tremendously tall. So I'm looking for a bass on a bed right now, but I don't see any. It's real shallow right up in here. Throwing the weightless lunker log, so we'll see how that works out. That's normally what we catch them on, is just Texas rigs, just straight up, but see how it goes. This water's kind of dirty. Is that a bass right there? I just saw a bass. Why is my bait like that? I have no clue. There's probably one up in that pocket right in there. There's a turtle. This water is perfect. I see one. Oh, I thought I had one. Oh, I did. There's one right there. I did not let him take it at all. It didn't feel like a bite. I could kind of feel it running, but nothing. It did not feel like a bite at all. So at least we know the creek's popping a little bit. You know, weightless. Oh yeah, I saw him hit. Little guy. Shoo. I saw him strike at it in the water. It's probably the littlest bass of the year. I could just see his head underwater, just swipe at it. I don't think there's a bed right there. Number one. Get him in the water. That's a good sign. At least we know there's bass in here, which kind of already knew that. But he wanted the old lunker log, he came right back for it. I don't think there's a bed right there in the middle of the creek. I don't know much about that kind of stuff, but maybe there is. The worm was like at the top of the water, so you could kind of see it. And as soon as I twitched it, the bait started coming down. He smoked it. Stud up here. I haven't thrown it up here yet. Something just waked right there. On. Obviously it was small. Let's try over here. We normally don't have luck over here, even though it looks better than that spot. Feels real sunny. That'd be great because I could see. Something just blew up right there. Toss it in there real quick. That is one thing about this creek. If you have good conditions and you can really see, then you can hook up on a couple of fish. You can see the fish because it's so clear. And the bottom is just straight dirt, like mud. So, alright, let's go up here. I feel like if I go up here, then I'll get some bites. I haven't really thrown in this part of the creek, which is a big factor. It's all muddy right there. That always happens because we just see like a mud trail. You normally see one right here, or like catch one, not see one. Huh? It's always muddy. I don't understand it. I caught the biggest one out of this creek. It's probably like 2 pounds. I caught it out of here. don't think I have that picture. Oh, sick. How does that happen to me every freaking time? What? Huh? That makes no sense at all, but take the 15. So, alright, so I'm gonna go over here and fish the rocks, and we'll see if I catch anything over there. So, we'll see over there. I wonder what that guy's doing. I swear if this dude owns the creek. No, like, my bait just sunk. It was like, boom.
Huh.
It was like, it sunk weird. I don't know. I wish the water was like real clear so I could see if there's any beds, but you're gonna get a fish on that thing.
This first one will wake them up. Next chance might get them.
They are. I kind of want to throw.
Slime.
Huh?
Frog slime.
I kind of want to throw a frog. That's what I was about to say. Oh yeah, hammered, hammered. He smoked it. It's little, but he still hammered it. Oh dang, it feels good actually. I don't know. This thing's like. Oh my, yeah, it's good. Oh yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
It's a good fish. Oh.
Don't let it go back there. Man.
He choked it. Okay.
See, we don't get fall when you
Hold
find
that.
halfway down.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm good. He choked it. He spit the worm, I think. That's a good one.
Grab
Oh.
a root. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Did he snap it? Oh, bring him over here, bring him over here. Don't jump, don't
Got
jump.
it?
Yeah, he choked it.
Yeah, he's a good pounder.
Oh yeah,
Maybe more.
that thing's fat. That's a good fish.
Check you out.
That thing's like 2.5. Holy, he
He's
smoked
a
it.
hard hitter.
He's
too.
a fat one.
Hang on, let me get a picture of you.
Yeah. Hold up. Smoked it. Holy.
He's a good one.
Oh
Yeah,
my.
he's about 2 pounder easy.
Holy. Well, I threw it right there by the brush pile.
Right past it, weren't you? Went
Yeah.
past it.
That one smoked it.
He's fat.
That's
too.
a fat
He's
one.
getting
I don't have my phone, it's fine. But dang, look at the stomach on that guy. He is a fat one.
Oh,
Hold
man.
this fish, huh? So I can get a view.
Woo.
And
It is heavy.
that thing's like 2.5,
At least 2.5.
maybe 3. But look at that guy. He smoked it. He spit the lunker log, but a good fish. So we're gonna go ahead.
Man, he's heavier than he felt. It looks.
Yeah, that
He
thing's-
got some weight to him.
He's been eaten up. So there we go. That is the second of the day. I give him about 2.5. He's pushing it on 3. So let's see if we can get a good release on him. Alright, here we go. Get this big girl.
There you go.
There she goes. Let's go.
Good job.
Where's my phone? That thing was so like he was running at me, and he felt small because he was just running. But
Yeah.
and then he kind of had a head shake and kind of cut that way. I was like, oh, that's big.
Yeah, you could tell then. I could see that line take off the other direction.
Yeah. I'll go ahead. That's it for today's video. We only ended up catching 2, but one was a decent fish. I said it was like 2.5 in the video, but now that I'm thinking about all of this, I think it's like 3 pounds, so we're going to go with 3 pounds. And the first one was obviously a dink. But make sure you go down there, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, because we will have some bangers coming out, some great videos this summer. So yeah, if you want to see more creek fishing videos, also like the video. And until next time, peace.